In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Epic Games' slow download and update speeds. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. There's a few different methods for this. So what you want to do is launch the Epic Games launcher on your PC. You can use a desktop shortcut, or you can search it on the bottom where it says search right here. Now on the top right, go ahead and click on your profile icon. Once you go ahead and do that, all you want to go ahead and do is click on settings in the drop down menu. So we're going to go right here. Now it's going to look like this, and all you want to do is scroll down to the download section. It's going to say downloads and installs. Go to download settings. It's going to open up its own separate window for download settings, and if it like limit download speeds is turned on, make sure you to turn this off because you definitely don't want that on. Now, what we could also do is, if this box is accidentally enabled, it caps your download speed to a strict kilobyte limit under the hood, regardless of how fast your real internet package is. What we can also do is inject the engine.ini network optimization script. You can manually force the launcher to use optimized multi-thread downloading by adding a few lines of code to the back end. So what we wanted to go ahead and do is we're going to X out of this and this. So we're just going to go ahead and back out and everything like that. Then go ahead and go to press your Windows key and R, then percentage local app data percentage. Go ahead and open this. Now go over to Epic Games Launcher. So we're going to go ahead and find that right now. Make sure it's Epic Games Launcher, not Epic Games. Then go to saved, then config, then Windows. Now what we're going to do is right click the file, which is engine.ini. And then what we want to do is type in chunk downloads equals 5. Chunk retry count equals 20 and retry delay equals 5, and then you'll be good to go.